No matter what course you are on, it is important that you feel supported at college, enabling you to develop confidence, independence, and progress in your learning. There are many types of support offered in college. The college's universal learning provision is available to all. It includes help with literacy, numeracy, and digital skills, welfare and well-being support to help with personal issues, as well as tutor support and guidance. The college's universal learning provision, ULP, is likely to meet the needs of most learners. Find out more at Learner Services, who will point you in the right direction. The Additional Learning Needs Support Team provides support for learners with difficulties or disabilities who require more or different support in addition to the ULP. Your campus support team leader can tell you more about Additional Learning Provision, ALP.
Hi, I am Gail Evans, Support Team Leader at Nantgarw campus, and I would be happy to speak to you about additional learning support. We use a person-centred approach to work with you and your family if you want us to plan and to put in place the right support for you. We will make sure key staff involved in supporting you, including your tutors, know about you and how best to support you, and we will review and update arrangements with you as things change. You may have already let us know about your needs and spoken to one of the team. If you would like to meet, you can get in touch with me through your tutor or by asking at Learner Services.
Be sure to let your campus support team leader know if you had support at school or access arrangements, like extra time in exams. If you are a looked after young person, if you have a disability, health condition, or additional learning need that could affect your studies and time in college. We look forward to working with you to make sure you have the help and support that suits you.